Hello there, we are Wesley Academy and I'm Miss Linh Mai. This is a lesson about some pairs of angles for the 7th graders. Let's see. Look at these figures about some pairs of angles and arrange them into 2 different groups. I will give you 1 minute to do that. Yeah, you're correct. The figures can be arranged as follows. The first group includes 2 angles that together form the letter Y, which are called a linear pair of angles, and the other group consists of those that form the letter X, which are called vertical angles. Let's find out more about this relationship of angles in the next part. First thing, linear pairs of angles. Adjacent means next to. The 2 angles are said to be adjacent if they share a common vertex and a common arm. For example, the angles XOY and YOZ are adjacent as they have a common vertex O and a common arm OY. The angles A and B and B and C are not adjacent since the vertices are not the same. The angles ECF and HDK are not adjacent because they share neither a vertex nor any arms. Next, we need to consider the measure of angles while talking about supplementary. 2 angles are said to be supplementary if they add up to 180 degrees. For example, the 2 angles ABC and PQR are supplementary as 79 degrees plus 101 degrees equal 180 degrees. Similarly, 2 angles are supplementary since 120 degrees plus 60 degrees equal 180 degrees. 2 supplementary angles can be either adjacent or non-adjacent. An adjacent supplementary pair of angles is called a linear pair of angles, which is always in the form of a letter Y. In the example above, the angles are linear pair of angles since they are both adjacent and supplementary. Let's practice! Look at these figures and decide whether the angles are A. Adjacent only, B. Supplementary only, C. Linear pair, or D. None of the above. Figure 1. Sure, we choose B. They are supplementary. Figure 2. Yeah, we choose C. A linear pair is the correct answer. Figure 3. You're correct. A. The 2 angles are adjacent but not supplementary. Figure 4. Wow, the answer is D. Since 140 degrees plus 60 degrees is different from 180 degrees, they are neither adjacent nor supplementary. The next problem is that for the linear pair of angles AOB and BOC, given that the angle AOB measures 115 degrees, find the measure of the angle BOC. Can you solve it by yourself? Why don't you leave a comment below? That's enough for today's lesson. See you in the next investigation about vertical angles. Goodbye!